Hello, today we're going to solve two-step equations, and I found this little acronym for you. We'll make it better later, but so here it is. Don't call me after midnight. Don't call me after midnight. What that means is we're going to distribute before we do anything, then combine like terms, then move terms to solve, then add or subtract, and you got to figure out which one will come first, you'll see, and then multiply or divide. Just get this down, and then we're going to keep it handy. Don't call me after midnight. Pause the video, hit play when you're done writing that down. All right, so these are the questions we're going to solve. Solve the equation and thinking of don't call me after midnight. Don't call me after midnight. You have it in your notebook, so you'll be able to look at there. So there is no distributive property for me to do, so nothing for the D. Combine like terms. There's nothing here that's the same on either side of the equation. And move terms to solve. So there's nothing here to move terms to solve. That would mean when we have variables on both sides, and we don't. And then, so now we're at A, add or subtract. So I'm going to add or subtract this positive 5. Well, it depends. If it's negative, I add. If it's positive, I subtract. Because it's positive, I'm going to subtract 5. And you've got to do it to both sides of that equal sign. That's why there's a line there. And then I have 9b equals 18. Now I'm on my last thing, multiply or divide. Well, because I have multiplication, I do the opposite, the inverse operation, which is divide by that number, which is 9, and I get b equaling 2. Great. The second one, nothing to distribute, no terms to combine, move terms to solve, nothing. What I could do, sorry, this is a 4, what I could do is rewrite it so that I've always got my number on the other side, but you don't have to. So I'm going to rewrite this whole expression equaling that whole expression, which is just 11. Now I'm on A. I'm going to add 4 because it's a minus 4. And then I have 5y equaling 15. Divide because I'm multiplying. The opposite is divide. And I get y equaling 3. Great. Here, same thing. Nothing to distribute, no terms to combine, moving terms, nothing. So I'm on that A again. Here, add or subtract. I've got a minus 4, so I'm subtracting it. I'm adding it. And then I have n divided by 3 equaling 6. Because it's division, I do the opposite. I'm going to multiply by 3 to both sides. And I get n equaling 6 times 3. Which is 18. All right. Number 4, nothing to distribute, but there is something to combine. First one, combine like terms. These are the same terms. 3t plus 9t, they're on the same side of the equal sign. I have to just add them. And that's 12t equaling 60. Now there's nothing to move terms. I don't even have to add or subtract. I'm on my last step, which is multiply or divide. Because it's multiply, I do the opposite, which is division, and t equals 5. Awesome.